What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you all what could be wrong with your vehicle, just in case for some reason your windshield wipers are not working. Sometimes in the wintertime, if your windshield wipers get stuck to your windshield because of like ice or something like that and it freezes and you turn it on, sometimes you could possibly blow out a fuse, as well as sometimes your relays can go bad. That's what happened on this vehicle. For some reason the windshield wipers weren't working at all, and instead of going into thinking it's something matter with the switch that's in the inside, the quickest and most simpler thing that you can do is go ahead to your fuse box, which on most vehicles it'll be underneath your hood, but it just depends on what kind of vehicle you got. But if you happen to have a Chevy Traverse, a Buick Enclave, as well as a GMC Arcadia, most of these vehicles are kind of the same. So in that case, your relays would be right here that you would want to check. Both of these relays right here have to be working correctly for your windshield wipers to work. So what you can do is just pull out the relay and replace it with another relay. And if you look underneath these, you'll see a number. So if I can get the number that's on the top of these relays, like this one says 2751. So if you look around inside of your fuse box, you'll see you have other relays also that are 2751. So what you can do is pretty much just pull out one of these relays, take out one of these and switch it around to see if that makes your windshield wipers work. And if it does make it work and it tells you that's your issue, you should go ahead and get you another relay. They're pretty simple to pull out. You just like a regular fuse, just wiggle them like that and they'll come out, like I said, and you can replace it with another relay and see if that takes care of your issue on your vehicle. On these vehicles right here, like I said, on these Chevy Traverses and possibly the other two I mentioned, you have to have both of these relays working correctly or the windshield wipers won't come at it at all. So if you have that issue to where your windshield wipers aren't working, the first thing you should do is come on out here and check your relays to be sure that your relays are not bad, as well as you may have a fuse also. So just look into your owner's manual of your vehicle to find if you have a fuse also that controls your windshield wipers. One of these fuses in here could also be blown and need to be changed out. Okay, and after you check your relays and your fuse, if it's still not working, now you may want to move on to making sure that your switch inside your vehicle is working correctly, as well as making sure that your motor itself is working, because your windshield wiper motor could have gone out, as well as the switch inside of your vehicle could have gone out. And both of them, I find that most likely you have some type of electrical problem that you're going to need to check with your actual electrical harness that runs to your motor of your windshield wipers. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.